Hey everybody, it's Zach from Myshire Farm, and I am very excited to announce our contest for content. So in this video, all you have to do is comment below an idea for a video that you want to learn about as far as Coturnix quail or Myshire Farm, raising, breeding, feeding, whatever the case may be, incubating, and we will pick the top 10 winners. And all of the 10 winners will receive 30 free Myshire Farm hatching eggs of your choice, excluding a few colors. But everything else will be on there except for the two newest colors we've introduced. So I'm very excited about that. The winners will be announced next Sunday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on our live video on YouTube, Myshire Farm. So I'm very excited about that as well. So hopefully we'll get a lot of information from you, and I'm committing from me to you right now that every Thursday starting next week after we do this contest, that I will be doing a video and posting it every Thursday to help you on your journey with Coturnix quail. So I hope you enjoy it. Have fun with this contest. Good luck to win some free hatching eggs from Myshire Farm. And we will see you next Sunday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time to announce the winners. You can enter as many times as possible. I will be writing down all of the information, all of the comments, and all of the suggestions, and we will start marking them off our list every Thursday once we do the video. So this is for you, to help you on your journey, and for me to better understand what can help you. So thank you very much. I hope you like it, and we will see you next Sunday. Have a great night, everybody. Thanks.